Hola, señoritas! So for today's video, we are going to make our very own Nochecita charcoal soap. So, naisipan namin gumawa ng soap nito dahil may kaibigan kami na nagsasuffer sa acne. And we choose the activated charcoal dahil sa kanyang benefits, which are a deep cleansing na remove niya yung mga dirt and nakaka-control siya ng oil, which is really good for acne-prone skin. And because of its deep cleansing and oil control, nare-reduce niya ang acne and nakaka-exfoliate siya ng skin. We love natural soap because ayaw natin ng chemical because it is really harmful sa ating skin. And natural soap is very gentle for the skin, eco-friendly, and rich in glycerin. And as you can see now sa video natin, gumagawa natin, nag-assemble na tayo ng soap because we are aiming for that marble effect, for it to be more pleasing in the eyes, diba? And though it is really messy, pero we just need to trust the process, guys. Makikita nyo din sa pagkatapos ng video na to kung kano yan siya kaganda. So, we are currently the video designing the soap. So, kita nyo yung gumamit tayo ng spoon and scoop that soap in the and then we put our cameo design. So, meron din tayong white feathers. So, yan. So, right now, I'm gonna keep quiet because we're going to enjoy a little bit ASMR. So guys, tapos na ang ating Nochecita charcoal soap. So hope you like this video. Bye-bye!